Ready to turn TikTok views into Shopify sales? Let's connect your store and skyrocket your brand. First, make sure you have a TikTok business account. Go to your profile, tap the three lines, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Account, and if you have a personal account, tap Switch to Business Account. Choose a category. Now, at your website, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. You should see a website field. Tap on it and enter your Shopify store's URL. Include the HTTPS part. To find your Shopify store URL, open your Shopify admin and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Now that your website is linked, create engaging TikTok content showcasing your products. Add calls to action to visit your website. Track your performance. Use TikTok analytics to see website click-throughs and refine your content strategy. That's it. You've successfully linked your Shopify store to your TikTok profile. Now go create some amazing content. Don't forget to subscribe.